It's interesting, over the past 20 years in the Gulf region, the PPP model has worked very well in the electricity sector, in the utility sector, because we've had a sovereign feedstock supplier with fixed price and the cost base is established, and a sovereign offtake agreement in place. So you can do the commercial model very successfully. What I think you've described in Sharjah is the same arrangement with BIA in place, but not every city will have BIA in place. You will be dealing with maybe a municipality on the waste collection side, which will be less predictable than an oil company providing energy. So does that make it, is there a challenge there about getting that perfect storm, if you like, it's set up for a PPP?
Definitely. At the end of the day, it has to be balanced. I'm not saying a governmental guarantee is a must. I'm not saying, but at the end of the day, each investor or contractor or lenders will balance the risk and see, and based on the risk involved in the deal, the reward will be. So we'll be always looking at this, and in all our future projects, I think it's important that the right legislation need to be there to support minimum requirements of security in terms of supply and offtake of power, supply of waste and offtake of power will need to be there in order to make this projects happening. Other than this, I think what the unique thing in our joint venture with BIA, that we can provide more than construction operations and financing of the plant itself. Having BIA with us allows us to provide additional services if that client elect to ask the bidders like us to provide these services.
Okay, so if a tender comes out from a utility for a waste-to-energy plant, you can bid for the tender, but you can also offer extra
other services to reach that, whether segregating the waste and so on.